Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about the different types of inheritance we have in Java. So let's get started. So what are the different types of inheritance we have in Java? Let me write down them. First one is single level inheritance. Then we have the multi-level multi-level inheritance. Third one, hierarchical inheritance. Okay, this is hierarchical inheritance. Then let me adjust them. First one is single level inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. Total we have five types, guys. Okay, total we have five types. First one is single level. Second one is multi-level. Third one is hierarchical. And the fourth one is multiple, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. And the final one we have is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid. So total how many types are there? One, two, three, four, five. Five types of inheritance are there. In Java, we have these five types of inheritance. Fine. Coming to the first type of inheritance, that is single level inheritance. Single level inheritance, in this inheritance, we'll be having one parent class, one child class. That's it. Here, the child class will be acquiring the properties from the parent class. In case of single level inheritance, it will be like this, guys. For example, this is class A, and this is class B. So here, class B is a child class of the class A. Class A is a parent of the class B. So class B is acquiring the properties from the class A. This is single level inheritance. Now coming to the multi-level inheritance, the second type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. Here in multi-level inheritance, so this is some parent class, let's say, and that parent is a parent of this particular class, and this is a parent of another class, and so on. You can have any number of levels here. For example, I am only taking this many number of levels, but you can continue the levels. This is multi-level inheritance. You see, there is a parent class, there is child class, right? In this example, you can see there is a parent and child classes. So this is a child class, this is a parent class. Now parent is a child of another parent class. So we have multiple levels here. That's why it is called as multi-level inheritance. Okay, this is called as multi-level inheritance. Let's say here we have A, B, and C classes. Assume that here C is a child class of the parent class B. B is a parent of C, and B is a child of A. A is a parent of B. Like that, guys. Okay. So we have multiple levels. That's why it is called as multi-level inheritance. Third variety here is hierarchical inheritance. So this is what is example of the hierarchical inheritance, guys. For example, there are two classes. Okay, there are two classes. This class name is B, class B, and this is class C. Now, class B is a child class of a class A. Class B is a child class of the class A. Here, let me write down the A. Here A is a parent of the B. B is a child of the A. Like this. At the same time, C is the child of the A. Okay? C is also the another child of the A. So A is a parent of both these classes. A is a parent of class B and class C. Whereas B is a child of class A. C is also the child of class A. So for both these classes, same parent is there. This is called as hierarchical inheritance type. Then we have multiple inheritance. Let me just drag it a bit to the side. Next variety here we have is a multiple inheritance. So what is this multiple inheritance? I'll explain. Here we have class A and B, let's say. Okay, class A, class B. And here we have the class C, let's say, class C. Now, let's say, otherwise, just give me a second. Let's say class C is the child of the, okay, class C is a child of the A, and at same time class C is a child of B. So here class C class C is a child class of the parent class A. At the same time, class C is a child class of the parent class B. That means here class C has two parents. Class C has two parents. This is called as multiple. Okay, multiple inheritance. This is called as multiple inheritance, where a single child class having multiple parents is called as multiple inheritance. Okay. Now the final one, that is hybrid. In case of hybrid, hybrid is a combination of this hierarchical and multiple. When I combine this both, when I combine this hierarchical and multiple, it will become hybrid. How? Let me show you. Here, let me write down A, class A. Okay, class A. Now, there are two classes, class B and class C. Class B and class C. Class B and class C. We have two classes. Here, class B is a child of this parent A. That means class B is acquiring the properties from this parent class A. Class B is the child class of the class A. Similarly, class C is also another child of the same parent, that is A. So this part, if you see, it is resembling with this hierarchical, right? Hybrid is a combination of hierarchical and multiple. Now, here we have class D. Here we have the class D. Here we have the class D, which is a child of this both parents. Class B is a parent class of the class D. At the same time, class C is also the parent of the class D. Okay, so class D is a child class of both these parents. This part, if you see, it resembles with multiple inheritance, right? So hybrid is a combination of hierarchical plus multiple. So what is hybrid? Hybrid is a combination of hierarchical hierarchical plus hybrid. Okay, hierarchical plus hybrid will become hybrid here. I'll just write it here otherwise. So these are the different types of inheritance we have in Java. Now, in Java, will all these inheritance types are valid? Yes, they are valid. But in Java, there are two things like classes and interfaces. Till now, in this course, I covered only the classes. I didn't cover the interfaces. So all this variety of inheritance types are not supported by classes, guys, but are supported by interfaces. You see, single level inheritance possible by classes. Okay, with classes, single level inheritance is possible. Multi-level inheritance also possible with the classes. Hierarchical, where same parent for multiple child classes also possible with the classes. But coming to the multiple, not possible with the classes. Okay, a single child class cannot have multiple parents as part of the classes in Java. Coming to the hybrid, since multiple is not possible, you see, hybrid is a combination of hierarchical plus multiple. So together it won't be possible, right? Since multiple is not possible, hybrid is a combination of hierarchical plus hybrid. In this, hybrid is not possible for classes in Java. As part of this, hybrid inheritance is not will not be possible for the classes. But interfaces, which I am going to cover in the upcoming session, there is a concept known as interfaces, which will be similar to the classes, but you will see some differences. Okay, that all these types of inheritance are supported by the interfaces, but not the classes. Okay, So first three varieties supported by the classes. Last two varieties not supported by the classes. Interfaces, which I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions, all these five types are supported. All these five types of inheritance are supported. So in the next session, I'll practically demonstrate how the classes support the first three variety of inheritance and how the classes doesn't support this multiple and hybrid types of inheritance are not, how they are not supported, what happens when we try to implement this multiple inheritance or hybrid inheritance with classes, what type of errors you are getting, I'm going to cover in the next session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where we go with the practical demonstration of classes and types of inheritance, where the first three will be possible with the classes, last two will not be possible with the classes. What will happen, I'm going to explain and demonstrate in a practical way in the next session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.